In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a checklist in Jira. Whether you're managing a project or tracking tasks, checklists can be a game changer in ensuring that everything gets done efficiently. First, let's start by navigating to your Jira home. On the left panel, you'll see an option called Apps. Give it a click and then select Explore More Apps. This is where you can discover various add-ons, and today we'll specifically look for one called Checklist for Jira. By incorporating this tool, you'll enhance your task management capabilities significantly. Once you've found Checklist for Jira, go ahead and install it. After the installation is complete, the next step is to head over to your project. You'll notice a new option on the top panel named Checklist. This will be your go-to tool for creating and managing checklists within your tasks. Click on it and you'll see an option to create template. Let's begin by crafting a template that fits your project needs. Naming your template is an important step, as it will help you quickly identify it later. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the tasks or the process it covers. After naming it, it's time to add your checklist items. Think of each item as a mini task or step that needs to be completed as part of the larger task. This can include anything from sending emails to compiling reports. Lay them out clearly to ensure that nothing gets overlooked. Once you've laid out all your checklist items, click Save. This ensures that your template is stored for future use. Now that your checklist template is ready, let's integrate it into your workflow. Head back to your board or backlog and open an issue where you want to use this checklist. Within the issue details, you need to click on Apps just under the issue's name and then select Checklist. You'll notice that a checklist section appears within the issue details. This is where the real magic happens. To make use of that template you created, click on the three dots located at the right hand side and select Load Templates. You'll be presented with a list of templates you've created. Choose the appropriate template for your issue and then click Load Template. This action will automatically fill in the checklist section with the items from your template, turning your issue into a structured set of tasks. With these steps in place, you're now equipped to streamline your workflow by using checklists in Jira. This not only brings clarity to your tasks, but also ensures accountability and precision in task management. So, dive in and enhance your productivity with these checklists. That's it for today's guide on using checklists in Jira. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.